Good day, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest safety assessments from the automotive world. The Mercedes-EQ EQE, a robust electric SUV, recently underwent rigorous safety testing, revealing both triumphs and concerns. Impressively, this hefty SUV scored well, particularly excelling in its safety assistance technologies, showcasing the innovation in modern vehicle safety. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. The vehicle's center airbag system raised concerns, indicating potential head injury risks for front occupants in certain scenarios. Despite this setback, the Mercedes-EQ EQE clinched a notable 5-star safety rating, a testament to its overall safety measures. Stay tuned for deeper insights into the latest advancements and concerns in automotive safety. Our experts will provide a comprehensive analysis of the EQE's safety features and how it stands out in the competitive electric SUV segment. For more updates on vehicle safety and innovations, don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Until next time, drive safe.